Hello everyone. So today is going to be smoky eye and I am going to show you how to make this intense black smoky eye, and trust you me, it is the most simplest thing ever. So this is the smoky eye that I think looks amazing for any event, and then you need to do a nude lip or a neutral lip. Have the glowing skin as ever. Why don't we go ahead and begin this? I'm going to use these under eye patches. So this is like this. All you have to do is remove the stickers and place it under your eye. I'm going to leave some space under my eye, if you can see, right here, and I'm going to take it at an angle, shape plate. And this is in light medium sand, and this will go under my brow bone to highlight my brow bone, and it will also go over my eyelids to make it an even base. This is a very lovely brush and it sits very well in small spaces which you need to highlight, like especially under my... This right here is the easiest way to highlight under the brow bone and hide those little hair if you've not had the time to do your eyebrows. Also, you can cover the eyelid with the same concealer to create an even base. I will also apply in the gap right here because I will be smoking that out as well. So every area that I see around the eye, I'm going to cover it up. Of course, we have to set it with powder. Cardinal rule, any liquid has to be set with powder. So I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury. Using a fluffy brush, I'm going to go ahead and set my concealer with the Charlotte Tilbury powder. It's in shade medium. Make sure you set down and pat down the entire section where you applied the concealer and blend it all out. This Urban Decay pencil, you can use any black pencil. You can also use ink blot, you can use MAC, but a pencil that will smudge, not a pencil that will not smudge. A MAC eyeshadow in this black, any black color which does not have any shimmer, just plain black. And to create the outline, so we don't smoke out the entire face, I'm going to use this brown again. This is Auburn by MAC. Just for my crease line. Of eyeshadows again, you go in the crease line and then there will be a transit shade. We will first start crease line, make our shape so we know where to end it, and then we can take it out. Taking the thin blending brush, I'm going to use the color Auburn, that is a chocolate brown by MAC Cosmetics, and apply it in my crease line. And I'm going to just go back and forth till I am satisfied with the blend of it. I will slightly take it over my crease line so I have that section, and I do not go above this particular eyeshadow when I start smoking my eyes. This is also one of the most important parts, especially if you're a beginner doing smoky eye for the first time, or you're trying to perfect your smoky eye. And once you have this step, you will never goof up. I also have loose eyelids. So here I'm lifting it up and I'm placing the eyeshadow inside the crease line so there are no gaps visible. Then I will go ahead and join the outer corners as well to give it a more finished look. You can take any of the blending brushes, any fluffy blending brush, and blend out that crease line. We need to take it slightly like a shadow. This is the Urban Decay pencil that we had earlier, and I'm going to go ahead and fill half my eyelids with this Urban Decay pencil. Remember, we're going to smoke it out, so we have to make the base darker, and then we're going to start smudging with any of the flat brushes that you have. Keep blending it, keep blending it. Like I said, I have loose eyelids, so I have to lift it up to blend it and cover every possible inch. Here is the Urban Decay pencil again. You just have to work with one pencil, and the minute you have the pencil and you keep blending it, you will see the smoky effect come in place. Taking another fluffy blending brush, I'm going to take the black eyeshadow and start filling it over the eye pencil. Very slowly and steadily, I'm building the depth of the black that I need. Blending is very important when you do a smoky eye, and the movement of that brush, it goes back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. We are not going in a circular motion, we are going in a back and a forth motion. Do you see that, how it's lifting up? And we are not crossing that crease line because we've already set a brown eyeshadow there. The same black eyeshadow, and I'm going back and forth into that line until it mixes with the brown. Taking the same brown eyeshadow, we are going to go ahead and create that crease line right there. We are just deepening that crease line with the same Auburn chocolate MAC eyeshadow. Taking a blending brush now, I'm going to blend all of these colors in, and this is the same blending brush we used before. From this palette, I'm going to take the shimmer shade right here. These fluffy pencil brushes, the shimmer shade. Let's highlight under the brown bone with the shimmer shade. Again, now I have set it with powder, but I will again take my pencil and I'll go in with that. Because I want around my eyelashes pretty dark. I will also go now and do this. But I will not smudge it out. I will smudge it out after my eye makeup is done. Because I need that blending to happen. I will also tightline it so we have no gaps when we apply the eyelashes. Just be extremely careful when you tightline. And of course I'm going to lift it up because I always like a lifted eye effect. Let's go ahead and smudge it out. We've used this brush before when we were smudging our black eyeliner with black eyeshadow. Smoky eye means there is no hard line. So I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to keep blending till I am satisfied with the entire blend and how the smoky effect looks. Completing this look with this amazing eyelash. No smoky eye is complete without eyelashes, guys. Taking off the under eye patches now. Shape tape, the same color that we used before. And I'm going to place it right here. I always like creating this V to lift my face up. Of course, I'm going to take... Guys, if you do a smoky eye and somebody says they don't want to do concealer, smoky eye will not work, and that is when you look like a panda or any animal you can think of. Very simple. When you do a smoky eye, your under eye has to be slightly lighter to lift that smoky eye. And I'm talking this smoky eye runway, I'm talking this smoky eye shoots, I'm talking this smoky eye weddings, anything. Let's go ahead and blend out the concealer. I prefer doing a smoky eye before and then my under eyes, so I know the depth I need to create to make my smoky eye stand out. It's extremely important to apply concealer about 2 or 3 shades lighter for your smoky eyes to look the way they are. From my MAC palette, and use a very, now is this brush. You see this brush? This comes in use. I'm going to take that same brown color and just smudge it out. This is why I had left it for later on, so don't take it too down. That is why this brush. So it does not come like really down. Remember, it's a black eye, it's not a punch on somebody's eye. It's a black smoky eye. After you have done that, you can take any of the smallest blending brushes you have, like these, and just, there's nothing on this brush, it's completely clean. Adding the final touch is my eyelash curler, which I always use in the end. This is to join your real and your false eyelashes, so there are no gaps left in between. The next thing I love doing is pushing them up with my finger so they're away from the vision line. And the final touch being the mascara, which adds length to my eyelashes. This is the Benefit mascara and it's real. And there it is, a beautiful black intense smoky eye, which was only done by a single pencil. I hope you guys have already subscribed. If not, please do subscribe, like and share the video. Hit the bell icon for such amazing videos coming every week. I get you easy breezy makeup tutorials every Tuesday. And until then, take care, be safe. See you soon.